Summation. Sum of X. How to play. Video tutorial. Summation uses a single deck of 99 cards, consisting of numbers 0 to 10, specific operations, subtraction, multiplication, division and versatile yet powerful blank wild cards. After shuffling the deck, each player will receive 7 cards. Dealer flips cards face up one by one until the running sum falls within the 11 to 20 range. Wild cards and operation cards will be placed back randomly to the draw deck. In this round, the sum of 6, 2 and 7 becomes the target X, which is 15. The last card flip will start as the active card. Here, player 1 plays the 8 cards from their hand to form an equation. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Player 2 then plays 3 cards from their hand to form an equation. 8, the new active card, plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 equals 15. Number cards played consecutively without any operation will automatically add together. If a player cannot form an equation with their current hand, they draw a single card from the draw pile and get an immediate second chance to play. After drawing a card, player 1 plays 4 cards from their hand. Multiplication. 10, subtraction and 5. 2 multiply 10 is 20 and 20 minus 5 makes 15. Player may choose to draw a card for a better hand. Player 2 plays 2 wild card. The operation wild card is declares as a multiplication card and the number wild card is declares as a 3. Forming an equation 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. The active card is now a 3, as declared by the previous player. Player 1 then plays 5 cards, 3, division, 1, 9 and 0. Forming the equation 3 plus 3 divide 1 plus 9 plus 0. Equation building rules. Player select 1 to 5 cards from their hand. 5 cards is the maximum. Equation always begins with the active card, followed by cards from their hand. Always evaluate equations from left to right, applying multiplication and division first before the addition and subtraction. The wild cards can be used anywhere within the equation to hit target X. But, the wild card cannot be the last card played to win the round. The round continues. The first player to sheds all his cards is the winner. I hope everyone will have fun playing Summation, Sum of X. Thank you for watching.